night packs. Alright guys, today I'm working on a 2004, what is that, 2002 or 2004? 2003 Honda Civic. And we had a inner tie rod stuck up in there, and my boy needed some help. They recommend getting crow's feet, size 30 millimeter, but who the heck has that? So a tip that I use, I tell y'all guys, get you a pair of these night packs right here. Spread it out about that wide. You might have to remove this hose right here and just get it out your way. Bungee cord the other hose, and then give you enough room to come in. Once you get your grip, squeeze it tight, and you're just gonna push that way. You may need to get somebody to help you push because it's an awkward angle, but if you get it good enough, you can break that off and save yourself having to go and weld or buy special tools. Just use some night packs and that thing came right off. All right, that's a little tip for the day. This is Jay from Jay's Automotive. Hope that helps. Peace.